Welcome back, you guys. So today we're going to do quick weave bangs with the long hair and curls. When I tell y'all this hairstyle has went viral, I was not expecting it to take off like it did, but it went viral on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you guys name it. Whatever social platform, it done took off, y'all. So I'm glad I did a whole video on it so that I can show you guys what I did. I was just like really tripped out because she came in, she wanted, well, we was looking through hairstyles and she was like, I want this hairstyle. But she wanted to use like the regular bundles. And I'm like, I'm not about to let you spend, because she wanted it long, like almost $400 to $600 on bundles when we can go to the beauty supply and get some bundles. Now you do have to, when you go to the beauty supply, you do have to make sure that you're paying attention to the quality of hair, because some hair will not absolutely last long, and then you have some that'll last you for the duration of a quick weave, which is what we need. We don't need nothing too fancy. So the bundles that we got were by Bobby Boss, which I'll show you guys in a minute, and they were like around $50 to $54, and we got 4 packs. Now for the girlies that's for to come in the comments and be like, oh, is that all of the bundles for $40, $50? No, it was per pack, y'all. So I think that's pretty good versus paying $400 to $600, especially for the length that she wanted, for a quick weave that's gonna last you 3 weeks at the most, maybe 4. Like, come on, y'all. If you got the money, ball out, baby. But for my girls that's balling on the budget, we can go to the beauty supply and find some good hair. Like, pack hair is still good hair, y'all. It just depends on the stylist and the quality of the hair. So we'll talk a little bit more about that during the video. Let me explain what I did, because now I'm getting, my video is leaving me. So I braided her down, of course. Put the stocking cap on. I used the tan cap. Put the glue protector on. Put her under the dryer. Let her dry. Came back and added a little bit of makeup to the top where the closure would lay, and on the closure. Now, she did purchase the closure from me. She did not purchase the closure from the beauty supply. So when you're booking with me, I do, like you would book under closure, quick weave wrap for this particular style, and the closure comes with it. Just buy the bundles. So what I'm doing now is just adding just a little bit of the lace glue, like not a lot, y'all. I did one little light layer because I secure my quick weaves, my closure quick weaves, by sewing them down so they don't come up. So it really does last my clients a while when they're getting their hair done by me, versus gluing around the rim of the closure. So just put a little bit of lace at the front, tack it down, and then I'm going to show you that, well, here we are now. I sew all the way around the perimeter of the closure. Okay, so we got 4 packs of Bobby Boss, 222s and 224s in the bone straight. I don't really recommend getting straight hair, honestly. I mean, it was okay for this because her curls was going to fall kind of loose. But I really prefer like a body wave because it holds like a curl, and then over time it just drops. But we got this was like the best choice that I when I seen Bobby Boss, I already knew like we using Bobby Boss. All the other bundles in the beauty supply, I just was not feeling it. It was stiff. Like, the best way y'all can figure out kind of good hair, y'all. If you shake it and it's like stiff, so y'all see me shake the Bobbi Boss bundle, like it has some flow to it. It's heavy, like the hair is like heavy in weight. But if it's like when you shake it and it's like not giving you much body, leave them things there. I don't care how cheap it is, leave it there. Like, it is a nightmare for hairstylists. Okay, so what I did was just track all her hair in like a horseshoe shape. I did curve it at the edges of her hairline just to kind of make the hair fall a little bit more towards her face. Now I'm just combing everything down and I'm going to proceed to cutting her bangs. Okay, so for the bang area, we're going to carve out all the hair from the closure that's falling towards the front of her face. Leave all the track hair off to the side. Do not include that in this cut. So we're going to comb all the hair to like the middle of her face. It doesn't look like it on here because of the angle of the camera, but I combed it all towards the middle of her face, so the outsides of the bang were kind of over direct towards her nose. Then I took my my Tinkerbell razor and I just cut it down. The Tinkerbell razor, y'all, is going to give your bangs that jagged look versus cutting with the sheer straight across where you got that regular Nicki Minaj Chinese bang. We wasn't going for that. We wanted to look a little bit choppy at the edges, at the ends of the bang. So now I just I'm slide cutting her hair to create the profile. So what I'm doing is I'm starting right at the tip of the bang and I'm just sliding down. That's going to give that layer effect, that Farrah Fawcett like look from the start of her bang to the end of the ends of her hair. Y'all see how that look with just the face frame, the profile of the face with the slide cutting? It creates those nice layers. This cut actually is good straight. I would have rocked it like this. How would y'all rock it? Like straight, or y'all like the curls? But right now I'm taking my Ion barrel curlers. I bought them from Sally's, you guys. And I'm just kind of creating a bubble in her bangs. Later on in the video, I'm going to go back over them with my flat iron just to kind of make them relax a little bit more over her face. And I forgot to mention when cutting the bangs, you guys, I like starting like at the bridge. Not the bridge, like probably like right in the middle of the eyelids. I like to cut there and then ask my client if they want me to go up or if that's okay. I don't like a over the eyebrow bang. Like, I don't know why that was a thing ever, but I like a nice long bang, especially when you have your eyelashes popping. Oh, it just sets everything off. So now I'm just going to take my curling irons again and we're going to curl her hair. We're going to curl back away from the face. That's how you get that nice flowy curl that flows back. So you want to take your curling irons and curl away from the face.
To lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable, yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be. But self-doubt comes easy and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself. Lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved.
Okay, so now I'm going to go in and point cut her hair a little bit just to bring it up a little bit out of her eyes and even it out. But still, like, the point cutting keeps the jagged edges. We're not going for a blunt cut bang. You want to keep those edges, the ends of that hair, like, nice and jagged, because it creates a nice soft effect and it allows your bangs to flow. So if she wanted to, she can pull these bad boys to the side and create her little curtain bang if she wants. So basically she has some versatile bangs. Now for this part, y'all, so y'all see me pull the hair out, finger comb the hair out. It was still full, but get you some Sebastian spray, pull the hair out and spray it, adds more volume. And this is the final look, you guys. Tell me what you think down in the comments, and make sure y'all follow me on all my social platforms. I'll drop it in the description. Thanks for watching.